promises. Stats. Hi, Amnish Heed. What up? What? Wop. Yeah, what's wrong with the thing? What's your view on AI? What's your view on AI? Add methods. Where was I? Yeah, I think I did this one. Yeah. I was doing one more thing. Wop. In my view, it can reduce the amount of people in the IT sector. Okay. What I think is this, that this IT sector is going through a very big change. Yeah, AI is not gonna reduce the amount of jobs or kind of that, but it's just gonna filter out those mediocre IT professionals, and yeah, it's just upgrade, nothing more than that. Wop. Hi. Index of, last index of, and includes. The method array.index and array.includes have the similar syntax and do essentially the same thing as their string counterparts, but operate on items instead of characters. So array.index of item from looks for item starting from index from and returns the index where it was found, otherwise minus x. Minus 1. Array.includes item from looks for items starting from index from and returns true if found. Now usually these methods are used with only one argument, the item to search. By default the search is from the beginning. So yeah, if you don't provide this, like, you know, the index, then it's, you're like, yeah, I'm just gonna start looking for the thing from the 0 index from the beginning. For instance, array we are looking for, okay, false from 0th index, and what's 1? Item. Oh, item. Wow, it's the array. It's the array. What the hell? Okay, we are looking for 0, so that's on the first index. 0 1. Yep, actually I did all these. I was around here, I guess. Yeah, if you want to check if item exists in the array and don't need the index, then array.includes is preferred. Yeah, item exists in the array and don't need the index, then array.includes is preferred. The method array.lastIndexOf is the same as index of, but looks for from right to left. Apple, orange, and apple. Yep, apple 0 first index. Apple last index of is the last index. Didn't I do that? Nope. No. I don't post anything on Insta. Nope. Find index method. I think I was here, right? Yeah, kana. Yeah, I was here. Searching an array. Because oh no, I did this already. There prove.index of apple 0 first apple and then last apple. That's the index. Okay, it's on the 0th and second. The includes method handles not a number. A minor but noteworthy feature of includes is that it correctly handles not a number, unlike index of. Okay, array not a number, array.index of not a number, it's gonna give -1, wrong, which is wrong. It should be 0. And array.index, you know, the index, and array.includes not a number is true. That's because includes was added to the JavaScript much later and uses the more up-to-date comparison algorithm internally. Yeah, find index, find last index. Find index, yeah. Imagine we have an array of object. How do we find an object with a specific condition? Imagine we have an array of object. How do we find an object with a specific condition? Here array.find function method comes in handy. The syntax let let result array.find function item index an array. If true is returned, item is returned and iteration is stopped. For falsy scenario, returns undefined. The function is called for elements of the array one after. Item is the element, item is the element, index is its index, and array is the array itself. If it returns true, the search is stopped and the item is returned, and if it returns true, the search is stopped and the item is returned. If nothing is found, undefined is returned. For example, we have an array of users, each with the field ID and name. Let's find the one with ID. That one. Bro, what's your opinion on Python over JavaScript? I don't have an opinion because I don't know much about Python. So. Not qualified enough to have an opinion. If it returns true, the search is stopped and the item is returned. If nothing is found, undefined is returned. For example, we have an array of users, each with field ID and name. Let's find the one with ID, one user, ID, one blah, blah, blah. Find. Hey, find. Oh, I find. And then we have function. We're gonna arrow function, ID name. We're gonna like we're gonna compare the ID. If it's equal to 1, then if true, then the item is being returned. I guess returns true, it stops, the item is being returned. Yep. I'm just confused by the way JavaScript and Python wish to learn. Is easy for non-it, not is easy for no and it. What? I don't know, man. I'm just learning JavaScript. If you like Python, learn Python. Or if you don't mind learning, if you don't have anything in mind, just learn JavaScript. Yeah. Find index method. Oh, I actually did it. Damn. I was here. Find index. Okay, it's here. In real life, array of objects are there. Common thing, so the find method is very useful. My car. Let's do one more, you know. I can type something, so users, and then we're gonna find method, and then item, and then arrow function, and we're gonna compare item ID. Now this time let's go with name. Okay, if the name is John, what's this John, bro? John Carter. Hi. Console.log. Buddy. User 3. JLPT N3. Just want an IT skill combined with Japanese language. Go with both are easy languages, you know. Just do whatever you like, you know. Start one. That's it. Don't be confused. Starting is the real thing. Undefined, of course. It's gonna return undefined cause 10 is not available, and this is returns the object. I mean item, you know. Item is the object actually. John Carter. Note that in the example we provide the find. We provide to find the function item. Item.id. comparison 1 with 1 argument. That's typically other arguments of this functions. That's typical other arguments of this function are rarely used. It's talking about this, you know, the index and array, all that. Typically, okay, find the index method. Array.findIndex method has the same syntax but returns the index. Let's do some typing too. The array.findIndex method, yeah. Some little warmer for our fingers. The array.findIndex method has the same syntax, but returns the index where the element is right, where the element was found instead of the elemento itself. Hi. The value of -1 is returned if nothing is found. And the same goes for this one, you know. Let's try that or find last index method. The find last index method is like find index but searches from right to left, from no, which is right? Yeah, this is right to left. Okay. Similar to last index of. Hey. Yeah, that's just gonna do the same thing. Console.log and then users last index of. yeah. Find last index item start none items.id. Let's do id. Okay, comparison like 2 3 is there 3 not 2 with 2. It's gonna return the index. Should return the index 2 Peter Pan. 2 is 2. Index 2 is returned. Find an index there. Find index, sorry. Find index and then last index items. Oh, sorry. And like even though it's gonna look for the item from the behind, from the ending, but from the end, but still it's gonna return the actual index like from the starting. Okay, so index is 2. Even if you look for the third one, and this one is gonna return index 2, and this one is index 3. Yeah, index 3. Yeah, because we just changed the method of looking for the item, but index is index. Index doesn't change. What's your goal, bro, after learning JavaScript? I already talked about it in my videos that web dev. I wanna be a web dev. So yeah, I will learn. Because learning a programming language is not enough. Yeah, you need to learn, a lot of technologies, a lot of things. That's like you're combining all those things. That's when you become something. So yeah, I'm gonna learn it. Yeah, it's a very long way. The filter map. Oh yeah, like when you learn React, you have to use this method a lot. Front and back end, it will be everything, It will be everything, step by step. We'll conquer all the levels. Filter method. Yeah, I just I don't care, man. Fuck AI. If you're gonna have that kind of opinion and not gonna start doing something, then definitely AI is gonna yeah. But yeah, keep doing your stuff, keep doing the work. AI is nothing. The find method looks for a single first element that makes the function return true. The find method looks for a single first element that makes the function return true. If there may be many, we can use array.filter function. The syntax is similar to find, but filter returns an array of all matching elements. Okay. JavaScript is a lot, man. I'm just learning and refreshing what I've already learned. So yeah, only the main topics I'm doing that I'll need to learn further, things. Who said to you? Hi, konbanwa, Sparky-san. Konbanwa. Damn, output. You already started outputting. If there may be many, we can use array.funct. Okay, let's do the syntax first. Syntax. Yeah. There. Like result. array dot find Janio filter, and that's a function over here, function. Then item, we can have index to an array as arguments, you know, all that. And then first I think that only Japanese is enough, and 3, then I become N2, and now I'm thinking that N2 is also not enough. Nothing is enough. Konbanwa as output, the more I could have said that even before I started. Yeah, well, that's output, you know. Wait until you realize even N1 is not enough. And not native light. The word enough is just an illusion. Yeah, nothing is enough. I'm just writing comments here. The true item is pushed to results, and the iteration continues. Yeah, the true item is being pushed. Okay, that's gonna make a new array, I guess. Yeah, returns an array of all matching elements. Yeah, and then returns empty array if nothing is found. Returns empty array if nothing found. Hey brother, what are you making? I'm learning, not making anything. I'm learning. John, Pete. Okay, I already have that, so I already have that, you know. So let's do something, you know. Let's add one. 4, 5. John Doe. Carter. Eigo wakaru? Eigo wakaru? Ai, wakaru yo. I'm speaking in English, brah. I'm speaking English. I'm talking English. What was I doing? What was I doing? Some users. For users dot filters and item arrow function, which is, you know, item dot id. If it's bigger than let's go 2. Okay, so it should return like bigger than, so 3 John Carter, John Doe, Carter, all these 3 in an array, right? Alert, yeah. Console.log some users. Yeah, array of object. Yeah, object of array. Array of objects. Yeah, on the first index we have this, and then second this, all that. Yeah. Array of all the objects are being returned. My code is infested with comments. My code has corona. Transform an array. Yeah, you use it a lot in React. Yeah, transform array.js. Ja, 勉強続けてよ、みんな。Yup. Let's go. Nihongo de speaking 日本語でスピーキングするのは難しい。Yeah, of course. Even I cannot. On my streams, I cannot do it. Bruh, it's hard. Let's move. Rep, it typed wa character instead of ha. And that's speaking, not chipping. 難しい。The map method. Better start using kanjis. Okay, I wanted to write typing. Typing. And but it showed this weird abomination. Yeah, I thought it was speaking. Typing, chipping, typing. Yeah, it's like, you know, the English words, the loan words in Japanese, they are very weird. I never know how to type the katakana words, the loan words in Japanese. Damn. I constantly have to do the lookups for those words. I really don't know. The array.map method is the one of the most useful and often used. It calls the function for each array of the each element of the array and returns the array result. Map method calls the function for each element, you know, element of the array and returns the array of results. When you realize final boss is English in Japanese. Yeah, actually they have a lot of words that may look English, like, you know, that may, you know, those are loan words, but they use them in very different way, in a very weird context. So you might think that, oh, this is an English word and this might mean what I already know, but no, you're wrong, buddy. Dot index. What am I doing? Kombi, telebi, Hong Kong are loan words that confused me at first. Now I'm used to them. Yeah, combi. They are very simple ones, you know. They're nothing compared to what you will get when you will advance in the language. And boy, it's very hard. English is very hard. Japanese English. Japanglish. Returns the new value instead of item. For instance, here we transform each into its length. 5 6. Okay. Returns the new value instead of the item. So what? Earlier I learned and leaned on Furigana. Now I wanna learn again, but with kanji. I have started another core deck and now I'm focusing on reading words with kanji as well. So I only pass the card if I can read variant. Yeah, of course. That's what I did. Do the word cards first, you know, for a few months. Do the word cards. Or not word, I mean sentence cards. Array.sort Madhikitane. Hi. Very sort, yeah. Oh. Let's create an array first. I don't like that. Arish Kalu Malu Wait Chalu Alu. These are all people, like, I don't know, like, that's a made up name, but I know all these people. They exist in the real world. That result. Have you done RTK method too, or just words to learn kanji? Yeah, just words to learn kanji. RTK. I mean, if you want to do it, then you can, but I think that it's not worth it, man. Maybe it has some meaning, but I haven't done it. Array dot function and what am I doing? Item, that's an arrow function. What should we do? Item length, and it will be returned. Yeah, that's it. So console dot log result. Hey, what did I do? Oh, I think I didn't. Yeah, transform array. 4 5, that's 4 that's 5 characters, and that's 4. I find it very hard to differentiate between similar looking kanjis, so I have added RTK, maybe just 15-20 minutes to start with, and get first and differentiate with meaning, not words. Yeah, I think that's also a good thing. You can do that too. But yeah, like, yeah, that's like, I've been through that phase where all these, squiggly characters looked same to me then. Yeah. Even right now, I confuse a lot of them with the others. Map, what the heck? Map. What else can we do? Like, how can I? Like I wanna add. I wanna add as at the last. I mean. At here, at every word. How can I do that? At every item. Yes, I can. And then item concat. Can I use concat? I think it's a string method. I think it's I think so. I don't know, man. I don't know any string. Iron Man, enjoy the grind. I'm gonna go watch something. Yeah, of course. Hope I have fun. I'll do some more comments. I'll write some more comments. Stringify John Carter backlash alert string length. Oh, let's do it. Maybe I can. Concat. I cannot. I don't know. How do you do that? Index of and then includes what? Yeah, includes method returns true or false depending on the string countries. Okay, getting a substring and then comparing strings. Add, slice it, trim, repeat. Thanks. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Like item, and then I can have like S. You know what? I'll have this. Dawn. Khaludon, Maludon, Chaludo. Hello there. Hi, what's up? What's up? Hi. Oh, I can do it like this too. Where was I? Sort function. Okay. sort. Actually I should do this. And method. The call to array.sort sorts the array in place, changing its element orders. It also returns the sorted array, but the return value is usually ignored as array itself is modified. Itemを object にして返す方法は item を object にして返す方法は How can we do that like that? Yeah, I think like that's a name and then item. Better than that. Undefined? Why is it undefined? Do we have to do that with this too? Yeah. Nope. Item dot ifx SEO tutor DT studio contacts us. How can I do that? Yeah, I don't know. It's returning undefined. は関数的な扱いになってしまうんだよね。return oh, okay. Okay. I got it. Return and then math. Sorry. And then what is it? Item. What's this? What's happening over here? Yeah, return は関数的に扱いになってしまうんだよね。function. Yo, I need to put that here too. Okay. Yes, I carried it. Thanks for that, Saga-san. Saga. Should we do next? I mean, the sort. Okay. Yeah. I mean, we have a lot of questions here. I quickly want to finish all these, and then we'll jump onto these questions. We have a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 30. Ju-san. Yeah, 13 questions. We'll do that. That's where I will test what I've actually learned. Yeah. The call to array.sort sorts the array in place, changing its element order. It also returns the sorted array, but the returned value is usually ignored as array itself is modified. The call to array.sort sorts the array in place, changing its element order. Okay, element order is being, changed. It also returns the sorted array, but the returned value is usually ignored as array itself is modified. I mean, it sorts the array, then it returns the sorted array, but that is being that value is being ignored because the array itself is also modified. As array itself is modified, for instance. Okay. That's right. Theory doesn't really help if you don't do it, so let's do it. Let's do 20 to 45, 63 to 6 0 no 98 something. Yeah, array 1 dot array 1 dot. What am I doing? Sort, and yeah, that's it. I think it's gonna like 2 6 22 45 63 and then 98. That's what should at 2 26 and all that. Yeah. Yeah. ちなみに、セクションごとに波括弧で囲まっておくと全部 L 変数を使えるよ。array 変数 wait a minute 変数 what's 変数I know it. Array 変数 wait a minute, I know that word, I forgot it. 変数 is variable. Yeah, okay. ちなみにセクションごとに波括弧で囲まっておくと全部 array variable 変数を使えるよ。Okay, variable かな。はい、variable です。A guy made an app for iOS to learn Japanese. Is pretty good though. Okay, that's good. Okay. So this returns that, and then console log 2. This is also being sorted. It's going to return the same thing. Yeah. はい。6行目に6項目かなに14行目 Yeah, I got it line 6 to line 14. What about that? Bro. Yeah, I never really talked about code in Japanese. Like, you're saying this. And this? You don't know. What are you actually what actually are you trying to say? Man, I feel down today. Sorry man, I don't really get it what you're trying to say. We got lead after the COVID. That shit's really changed pretty much everything. Nup. Have we got lead? Lead, like, what kind of lead are you talking about? 今の合ってるエレヘンツのスコープを限定されるからマップでもソートでもエレ変数を使える。合ってますよね。今の合ってるエレ変数のスコープが限定されるからマップでもソートでもエレ変数を使える。Damn, it's very hard. It's very hard to talk about code in Japanese. That's why I really need to read stuff in Japanese about code. One is recording a job and one other. Nothing. You know, like both of the meanings sort of array 1 and or sort no array 1 or array にしてみて。array にしてみて。これかな。array is not defined. What's texting in Japanese? Just some coding talk. Sort no array 1 or array にして。I did that. Line 20 to 26. Oh, okay. That's sure. Where? Wait a minute. Did it do something? Doesn't it do shit? Oh, okay. So yeah, now I know what you're trying to say. Like by putting these namikakus here, the code is limited to in between those. Okay, so now if I define one more array variable with the same name, then it's like it has no relation with this. It has no effect on this code. So okay, I got it now. What you're saying, what you were trying to say. Damn. Okay. Did I understand it right? Like the variables and everything are limited to this code block. So even if I define the same thing, a variable with the same name and everything, it doesn't affect the code here or here. So I guess I got it. Oh, thanks for that. I was actually commenting everything. Okay. Damn. Fuck off. Who the fuck is calling me? Yeah, Namika ko tsukereba daitai copy shita mama tsukaeru yo. Hi. Yup. Got it. Got it now. Yeah, thanks for that. ありがとうございます。助けてくれてありがとうございます。Yeah, because the end of the function is returned. Yeah. The call to array.sort sorts the array in place, changing its element order. It also returns the sorted array, but the return value is usually ignored as array itself is modified. Okay, did you notice anything strange in the outcome? Oh, yeah, that's strange. Oh, what? Yeah, that's strange, bruh. Like, it's not really. Okay, did you notice anything strange at the outcome? The order became 1, 15, and 2. Incorrect, but why? The items are sorted as strings by default. Oh, they are sorted as strings. Literally, all elements are converted to strings for comparison. For strings, lexicographic ordering is applied, and indeed 2 is greater than 2 of string is greater than 15 of string. Bhaiya, you roam? What do you mean by roam? Like go outside? How many places have you traveled in India till now? Yeah, not many. A few cities, that's it. Literally all elements are converted to strings for comparison. For strings, lexicon ordering is applied, and indeed 2 of string is greater than 15 of string. To use our own sorting order, we need to supply a function as the argument of to use our own sorting order, we need to supply a function as the argument. Here we need to give a function as the argument here in the sorting and the sort method, these brackets. Yeah, the function should compare two arbitrary values and returns. If a is greater than b, return 1. If the first value is greater than second, return. If a is equal to b, return 0 dash, and if a is smaller than b, return -1 if the first value is less than. Okay, then that's the comparison function, and then For instance, to sort as numbers, function comparison a b, return 1, return 0, return, okay, array 1 to 15, array dot sort. Oh yeah, we are providing this thing, okay, as an argument, this what you call it, function. So now we can have our own sorting. Okay. Yeah, thanks for the strike. We'll have the same thing, you know, but no, like we will define one more function. Over sort, over on sort, you know. Yeah, whatever. A and B. What are you learning? I'm learning arrays. If A is greater than B, return 1. That's true, you know. True, 1 is true, you know. If A is equal to B, true, return 0, value 0. If A is smaller than B, then we return etto -1. Okay, so now if we do console dot console.log over on sort and array dot sort and this. I'll do one more thing. Okay. Hi, that's fine. Okay. Now the order is of our liking, you know. Yeah, it's correct now. So 2, 6, 22, 45. Okay. What are you learning? Some lead code? Nope. It's not lead code, JavaScript. I see. I don't see, I feel. It teaches you all about JavaScript as well. Yeah, of course. Not everything is industry. There's many manipulation people used to optimize their bit size. What do you mean? Okay, and that's the actual array. Like this is the array that's being returned by the sorting method, and this is our actual array. Now this is being ignored, this thing. Now it's sorted. Hi, that's it. Now it works as intended. Let's step aside and think about what's happening. The array can be an array of anything, right? It may contain numbers or strings or objects or whatever. We have a set of some items. To sort it, we need an ordering function. That's of ordering function, and that knows how to compare its elements. The default is string order. The The array.sort function method implements a generic sorting algorithm. We don't need to care how it internally works. An optimized quick sort or time sort most of the time. We don't need to care how it internally works and optimize quick sort or time sort most of the time. It will walk the array. It will walk the array, compare its elements using the provided function and reorder them. All we need is to provide function which does the comparison. By the way, if we ever want to know which elements are compared, nothing prevents us from alerting them. What by the way, if we ever want to know which elements are compared, nothing prevents us from alerting them. So array bhaiya bits 0 and 1 in boolean false true. 1 bits equal to 80 bytes. It consumes space in the room and RAM. Yeah, of course. Yeah. I mean, I get the concept of bits and bytes, but I don't know what concept you were talking about. Not everything in industry. There's many manipulation people use to optimize their bit size. I don't know. Out of the blue, if you're gonna say this kind of random stuff, I don't know. How am I gonna understand that? Method implements a generic sorting algorithm. We don't need to care how it internally works and optimized quick sort or time sort most of the time. Don't really know. Don't really need to know. It walks the array, compare its elements using the provided function and reorder them. All we need is to provide function which does the comparison. By the way, if we ever want to know which elements are compared, nothing prevents them from alert. Okay, A and this. Okay. We can alert too. Let's try to do it. You know what? Console.log A and B. Oh god damn you. What the yo, why do I feel like I don't know anything? Obsidian, no. Center fruit zip lab lapai. Bro, stop it man. पर मेरी हालत पतली हो रही है इधर तू अरे don't return. Fuck off. विंडोज़ यूज़ करता हूँ भाई मैं. ऑब्सीडियन पता नहीं क्या होता है ऑब्सीडियन, मुझे ये भी नहीं पता. मेरा दोस्त यूज़ करता है बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज. If I'm not returning anything, what's I see? How do I enter? Yeah, it's still going to do the stuff. So why is it not showing the thing over here? Is it me or I think I need to put this thing over here. Yeah. The first 45. Okay, like 45 and 22. and 63 and 45, 2 and 45, 2 and 6 and 45, like that. Yeah, it just does this thing. Yeah, if I actually want to know what's happening, I can read this, but I don't want to. Yeah, it's fine. Like, yeah, fine, man. Notes and documents, talking, collecting softwares. आपके दोस्त भी है भैया. Oh man, क्या सोच क्या रखा है भाई मेरे. आप तो वीडियो में अकेले हो कह रहे हो. अरे भाई. Yeah, I've made friends. Surprise, I've made friends. What's up, Penguin? Yeah, that's my another friend, Penguin. A comparison function may return any numbers. Actually, a comparison function is only required to return a positive number to say greater. Positive number to say greater and negative number to say less. Okay, that's greater the slash. That allows to write shorter function array that and a b return a minus b. Okay. Oh, a minus b, like, if it returns a positive number, then it's greater, and if it returns a negative number, that means it's less. So yeah, actually a comparison function is only required to return a positive number to say greater and a negative number to say less. So we can have like this too. It'll do the same thing. Pause neck. What video did you watch of mine? Just came to say hi. अब बाजार जा रहा हूँ. Yeah, he's my langotia यार. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. And bye. So console.log array.sort. It'll do the same thing, right? Pause neg. Oh, that's this one. No. Hi. Hi. That's 2, 6, 22, 45, 36. Yep. Doing the same thing. आप हेयर स्टाइल मस्त सा रखो फिर. ओके, अभी वाला कहता है how do I look now? Like a bagger? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Look like a bagger. Arrow function for the best. Remember arrow functions. We can use them here for neater sorting. Arrow functions. Oh yeah. Yeah, this sucks, bruh. We'll do this instead of sort arrow function. Sorto Roberto. Must be do the same thing. Hi. How many times are we gonna do that? Hi. This works exactly the same as longer version. Above. सारी वीडियोस देखी 3-4 की छोड़ के. अच्छा, that's good. Thanks for that. Use local compare for strings. Remember, locale compare, local compare for strings. Remember string comparison algorithm? I don't know. I don't remember because I didn't read that. It compares letters by their codes by default. Remember strings comparison algorithm? It compares letters by their codes by default. For many alphabets, it's better to use string.localCompare method to for many alphabets it's better to use string.localCompare method to correctly sort letters such as Nico not Nico yeah, that's 0 with 2 dots above it, on it, above it, whatever. For example, let's sort a few countries in Germany. Österreich, Andorra, Vietnam. In German. I thought in Germany. In German countries. I only know this. Vietnam. What are these countries? I have no idea. Alert. Countries are sort. Okay. If A is greater than B, then 1. My same thing. Andorra and all that. And Andorra, Vietnam. Wrong. That's wrong. The order should be Andorra, Ost, and then Vietnam, like that. Look, compare. Oh, for many alphabets. My God, I alphabet. It's better to use string.local compare method to correctly sort letters such as O. How do you write this O? O. 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 I'm gonna find O. O. Like that. Oh, I found it. Almost there. I found it. Like that. This one. Okay. ओ भैया आपको कोई गिटअप पे फॉलो ही नहीं करता, मैं कर देता हूँ. I love penguins because I live in X. Okay. I don't really care about followers on my GitHub right now because I have nothing over there. That, and then Osteric, of course. I don't know German. Andorra. Like, what if I have it in the lowercase? Would it do something? Vietnam. Let's do a few more countries like India, Japan. What else? Kenya. Console log. All I'm doing is console logging. Countries, buddy. Countries. Countries dot array, not array, but Sure. AB. First item, second item. Who the heck is calling me? I'm gonna have to block this. I don't know, it's a spammer. Lakshmi Sharma. Who the fuck are you? बहन के बच्चे. How do I block? Block してスパムして報告。はい。Sorry. भैया आप वेब डेवलपमेंट किए तो हो गिटहब पे रिपोजिटरीज भी. I've done a long time ago. Yeah, hi. If A is greater than B, you know, true is that and false is minus 1. Hi. Another way to they say the same thing. Oh, it's gonna return, you know, not sure what it's gonna return. Vietnam, Andorra, India, Japan, Kenya, and which is definitely wrong. Definitely wrong. Countries dot and what else we can use? What function was that? String.local kind of thing. Item kana yeah, A, B, something like that, right? Yeah, A, B, local A dot local compare, and then B, local compare B, Andorra, India, Japan, Kenya, and Vietnam. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. ये X, Y, Z. Manarana. What's that? Manarana. What is that? Bro, that's not even a word. Reverse. And let's quickly finish these things, man. Reverse, split join, and then we have reduce. That is. जापानीज कीबोर्ड में तो बहुत कम अल्फ़ाबेट्स दिखा रहे हैं. आई नो दैट बहुत कम दिखाते हैं बट बहुत ज़्यादा है भाई. You know, every button in the keyboard has 4 characters. Yeah, the reverse method. reverse method. The method array.reverse reverses the order of the element in array. For instance, that array this array.reverse. That's a simple one, right? What about this one, you know? I want to see how it's gonna reverse this thing. Console.log countries dot reverse. I think I know what it's gonna do. Like Kenya will be on the first index. I'm at 0th index. Then Japan, then India, Vietnam, Andorra, Australia, whatever that is. Like that, right? Should be reverse native code. What? Okay. Mama. Yeah, Kenya, Japan, India, Vietnam, all that. Okay. It's the order every button भैया मेरे में तो कुछ ही लेटर्स का 5-6 कैरेक्टर्स है. Yeah, just do trial and error. I mean, you know, just explore your keyboard, man. You'll know what I'm talking about. Split and join. Here's the situation from real life. We are Split method. Split dilemma. What's a dilemma? Here's the situation from real life. We are writing a messaging app, and the person enters the comma delimited list of receivers. Yeah, comma delimited list of list of receivers: John, Pete, Mary. But for us, an array of names would be much more comfortable than a single string. How to get it? Okay, here's the situation from real life. We are writing a messaging app. The person enters the comma delimited list of receivers. That's a John, Pete, and Mary. But for us, an array of names would be much more comfortable than a single string. How to get it? The string.split delim method does exactly that. It splits the string into an array by the given delimiter delim. Delim method does exactly the same. It splits the string into an array by the given delimiter. So yeah, so in example below we split. Okay, so that's a whole string. Then there's a delimiter kana. Yeah, I mean, you know, yeah. So yeah, like each of these names will be stored in an array, I guess, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, like that, right? Yeah. The string method does exactly the same. Chapatse. Kimpatse. Chapatse. नहीं पता भैया स्टार्टअप में। वैसे आपको कोई स्टार्टअप करना हो ना तो गवर्नमेंट फंड करती है, उनके पोर्टल पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो। हाँ ओके। ओके let's names Shaikimwa 2 sorted here 2 rivers Kansumo dekitane. Oh, I don't know about that. Do they have 2 sorted 2 reversed reduce? Yeah, I think they are not in this article. I'm here. Yeah, let's try to look for it. Sorted. I think I should do sorted. No. Sorted. Nope. Reversed methods JavaScript array.prototype time complexity login or when yeah, the 2 sorted method of array instance array instances is the copying version of the sort method. It returns a new array with the elements sorted in ascending order. Copying version of the sort method returns. Oh yeah. To sort it to what's that? Compare fun? What the hell is that? Fun. Compare fun optional. A function that determines the order of the elements. If omitted, the array elements are converted to strings. The array elements are converted to strings, then sorted according to each character's Unicode point value. See sort for more information. Why does Saga's text feels like a bot? He is Japanese. 私は最近人と話してないからじゃないかな。A new array with the elements ordered in the ascending order. Don't worry. I also feel like I also sound like a bot when I talk to someone in real life. New array with the elements sorted in the ascending order. Like that. Actually, do these two, but no. Japanese regali. What's up, Akshay? गाली पड़ गई भाई जापानीज में तुझे. Actually, we're gonna first. Yeah, of course he knows English, bruh. What were you thinking? पीछे किसका concert चल रहा है? It's not a concert. Yeah, it's a wedding. It's a wedding. Playboy Cardi. What? It's a wedding in the neighborhood. I guess you guys can hear it. Like, yeah, also I'm gonna get copyright. Let me fix it. Let me turn on my what you call it, noise suppression. I don't really like it, but yeah. Who let the dogs bark? Yeah, that's my pet dog. I guess now it's fine, right? Wedding मुझे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा भैया. It's fine. Now I've turned on the noise suppression. Yeah. Okay, like we'll read about these later. First we read about the original ones, original methods. Okay. Sagathan, what's your name, by the way? Do you work or are you a student? Are you Shakaijin or a student? Still, I can hear some beats. Banger. Yeah, you will. Did you notice anything strange? Okay, I already did that. Arrow function for pass, local compare. I did that. I did that. Split and join. Oh yeah. Sorted. Okay. Here's the situation for. Yo. Sort. I already did sort. It's sorted. Yeah. Okay. So. Shakaijin things. Damn. That's cool. Saga, where you live in Japan? Let me guess, you live in Osaka. Tokyo, Shibuya. Cool. Actually, that's yeah, that's the Shibuya crossing, right? I see a lot of videos. Yep. Hi. What was I doing? Split. Spring split. Here's the situation for real life. We are writing a messaging app and the person enters the comma delimited list of receivers John, Pete, Mary, but for us an array of names would be much more comfortable than a single string. How to get it? The string.split delim method does exactly that. It splits the string into an array by the given delimited delim. In the example below, we split by a comma followed by a space. Okay, like names. Okay, names. Saga-san. Akshit. What's your name? Sort of? Shoddy. What's up, Shoddy? Shoddy. Shoddy. Anyway. Yeah, I'm not gonna forget about Hamid. Hamid the guy. Let array dot names dot split method. Oh, what method is that? to Sagatang, Akshat. Oh, there's a space. If I don't want the space, I can do this. Now I feel like Marunga fight with Marulaga fight with Kojo in Shibuya. Saga lives in Tokyo. Damn, too costly place to survive. New York Yori by Yasi. Yo. Tavum. Yeah, you know, like yeah, for as an Indian it might feel that it's very expensive to live in you know in Tokyo and that kind of cities, but you know, he is a Japanese and he's working there, so I don't think it's he earns much to afford the living. And yeah, New York is very expensive. Sure, yeah, I forgot to add a shoddy. Shoddy is fine. Okay. Shoddy. Hi, my sister Bilbo and others. We gotta add a here, and then when we can, what we can do is for of loop for the name of names, and we can have, we only do console log. I don't like message to so yeah, it's gonna list all the you know, a message to Sagatang, Akshat, Sharia, Hamid, all that. What? It's taking the letters, not the. I think it should be adding. Write a message to Saga, Akshit, Sharia, Hamid. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's true that Japanese people don't call each other by the first name, instead they call by surname. Not really true. You know, they just add the san you know, as a suffix to their name, like the same as G, Sharia G in Hindi. You already know the concept. The split method has optional second numeric argument limit on the array length. If it is provided, then the extra elements are ignored. Split method has an optional second numeric argument, a limit on the array length. If it is provided that the extra elements are ignored, in the practice it is rarely used of. So like that. We only want to and 3, let's go up to 3. Akshat Saga, like 1 2, like 0 1 2 3. Hamid, all of these, bruh. It's always fine then. What? Ha? Saruman. Oh yeah, like, you know, if I add that, it's not gonna have enough like than that. No. Boy, here. What's that? What's happening with this? Oh, well, I'm so dumb. Okay, let's go with 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Saga, I would like to join the Akatsuki clan once I was an otaku person. How old are you, Saga-san? Split into letters. Why should I do that too? Too slow, bro. What's otaku? Okatu. Okatu じゃない、オタク。オタクかな。Oh yeah, so Saga is an employed guy. I thought he was a teen just like me. Nah, man, Shakaijin. He's the Shakaijin. Of course. Otaku, hi, otaku. Yeah, what was it? The split into letters. The call to split as with an empty as would split the string into an array of letters. The string test. TEST. The call to split as. What the heck is as? With an empty as would split the string into an array of letters. Oh, ma. String. Okay. Let's string this. Testicle. Okay. Testicles. Testicles. Console.log string dot split testicles. So we will have a arrow. I mean arrow? Array? Kuruma wa matte nai yo. Motte nai yo. Tokyo no hito wa daitai motte inai kuruma o oku space ga nai. Yeah. And also the, you know, subway and the trains, Shinkansen and all that. Yeah, usually people use that as a way of transport. Yeah. And I don't think you really need a car when you're living in Tokyo. The call.join glue does the reverse. To split, it creates a string of array items, joined by glue between them. So glue the array into a string. Glue join Gandalf. Join glue. Marra. Third. Let array 3 Kalu Malu Tokyo Shibuya. Yo, that string is equal to array 3 dot join what if I don't put anything? Glue the array using string. Glue the array into a string using this console.log string. What did Saga just said? He said like he doesn't have a car, and roughly like almost all people in Tokyo, they don't have a car because they don't have space to keep a car. But yeah, what's PU1YS means in Japanese? It's in Saga's. Name is in Saga's. Hey man, I don't know. That's his username. That's it. Kalu Malu Lalu Lalu, like that. All that. Okay. Does the reverse to split? It creates the string of, it's creating a string of array items. Of array items. Okay. Join does the reverse. Create a string out of array. So Kalu Malu Dalu. Like that. And that cool. Reduce. Yeah, that's too long. Yeah. Japanese government getting over artists who live in Japan reality and I'm going to put myself in Japanese use. Good luck. Good luck. Okay, let's do this. My god, it's very long. This page is very long. Reduce method. When we need to iterate over an array, we can use for each, for, or for off loop. When we need to, like, that's for when we want to run a specific function, that's to iterate over each item of the array, and for is the normal loop, you know. When we need to iterate and return the data for each element, we can use map. Oh yeah. That was it. Did I do it or not? Did I skip it? What did I do? Yeah, I did it already. Damn. So one of the most useful, the syntax is function of arrays. Yeah. Yeah. How to apply for a job outside the country? Just apply online. When we need to iterate over an array, we can use for each, for, or for off loops. Just search about it on yeah, just ask ChatGPT. When we need to iterate over an array, we can use for each, for off, or for loop. When we need to iterate and return the data for each element. Oh, when we need to iterate over an array, we can use for each, for, or for off loop. When we need to iterate and return the data for each element, we can use map. The methods array.reduce and array.reduceWrite also belong to that breed, but are a little bit more intricate. They are used to calculate a single value based on the array. They are used to calculate a single value based on the array. The syntax. Yeah, let's do the syntax first. Let value array dot reduce accumulator. What's that? Accumulator item index index array, and the code here. Oh boy. Yeah, and this is something initial. And gets rejected. But yeah, let me be honest. But yeah, let's be honest. Let's be honest. Outsider people don't even see the CV of someone who's outsider. Apply for your unless it's a unicorn company. Have you applied for a company like that? Are you saying that by experience or just making assumptions? The function is applied to all arrays. The function is applied to all array elements one after another and carries on its result to the next call arguments. Accumulator is the result of the previous function call equals initial the first time if initial is provided. Accumulator is the result of the previous function call equal initial the first time if initial is provided. No, but some bhaiya, what did BTech says that? Bhaiya is not qualified enough. Your other bhaiya, whoever said that, is the result of the previous function call equals initial and the first time. क्या प्लान किया भाई ये? Accumulator is the result. Item is the current array item and index is position and array is array. Accumulator is the result of the previous function call equals initial at the first time if initial is provided. Okay, initially is this if it's provided, but then it becomes the result of the previous function call. Okay, as the function is applied, the result of the previous function call is passed to the next one as the first argument. There's so many Japanese people comes into your channel. Why don't you make some source to? Why don't you make some source to move it there? What? Are you talking? Are you saying like I should make some kind of group or kind of thing so they can join that group? And I am doing that. I don't care. Japan, bhaiya, Japan. When I'll be of some use to Japanese people, to Japan, then I will look for a job, give interview, pass an interview, then go to Japan. Yeah, that's the thing I'm gonna do. Not looking for short solutions, shortcuts. Going to Japan is not the goal here. Going there so I can do something that's worth and I can learn a lot of stuff. That's the goal. As the function is applied, the result of the previous function call is passed to the next one as the first argument. As the function is applied, the result of the previous function call is passed to the next one as the argument. Yeah, as the function is applied, the result of the previous function call is passed to the next one as the first argument. So the first argument is essentially the accumulator. So the first argument is essentially the accumulator that stores the combined result of your all previous executions. So first argument is essentially the accumulator that stores the combined result of all previous executions, and at the end it becomes the result of reduce. What's reduce? It becomes result. Sounds complicated. The easier way to grasp that is by example. Here we get a sum of an array in one line. Array is that array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 let result array dot reduce. Yeah, I forgot what does it actually do. The methods are reduce also belong to that breed. Okay. When we need to iterate and return the data for each element. Okay. Damn. What's your current JLPT dev? Who? Me? Check the description. Yeah, I gave N2 in December, waiting on the results. For more details, please check the description. Please check the description. Yep. Yeah. I haven't yet passed the exam, so I'm not gonna say I'm N2. Yeah, without a certificate, I'm not an N2. Not N2. I'm not N2. What am I doing? Sum current. What's a sum? Sum. Like accumulator is the sum, right? Then it's gonna my current plus sum, so it's gonna store the, yeah, like that, like that. Oh, so sum is the accumulator and current item actually. So that's the arrow function. So sum plus current, and initially the value will be the accumulator. This sum will be equal to 0. Then all we do is that, and then we result it out here. 28. Is it 28? This 10. 4 9 20, and this 28. Online होता है कि offline? How many months did it take to pass? I never gave any. I skipped N3. I gave N4 in July. You can, I think if you can, yeah, read this description, you'll get it. Look at the dates when I gave the exam. I guess you understand why I'm saying that, because I've seen explain the same thing to people 1,000 times. So I just can't. Yeah. Current says that. The function passed to the reduce users. Okay, we'll have this too. Accumulator. Need some but I don't know what I gave you want. I think you want something. I'll also join you after my intercast program. I'll be long gone till that time. How many yeah, भैया मेरा 2 comment. Yeah, भैया, life is short to accomplish everything at once. Notifies I'll join you after my undergrads program. And then I said, yeah, I'll put up a video on the channel, okay? you'll be notified if you're subscribed to the channel till that time. And yeah, and of course JLPT is similar to IELTS, but it doesn't have that speaking part. When did you start learning Japanese? I think it was August or October of 2024. For more information, check the description. Yeah, I have videos. Sorry, man. But I'm tired. You know, answering same questions dozens of times. The function passed to reduce. The function passed to reduce uses only 2 arguments. That's typically enough. Yeah, I checked. Yeah, they have videos too. You can you can refer to the videos how I did it. If you're gonna ask that, if you're gonna ask for tips, refer to the videos. Yeah, that's all I can say, man. The function passed to reduce uses only 2 arguments. That's typically enough. Let's see the details of what's going on. On the first run, the function passed to reduce uses only 2 arguments. That's typically enough. Yeah, let's see the details on what's going on. On this sum run, first run, sum is the initial. Okay, like that's the initial value of the accumulator here. So sum here is 0. Initial value, the last argument of reduce, this talking about, and equals to 0, and current is the item, the first item, the first array element or item, okay, equals to 1. So that's the value 1. So the function result is 1. On the second run, sum is equal to 1. Okay, sum becomes 1. Like that's 0, that's 1. So the result of this function execution is being stored or in this accumulator, and this sum becomes 1. On the second run, it's 1 and it becomes 3. So on the third run, it's 3. The way, yeah, well, you got it. You got it. We add the second array element to it and return. On the third run, sum is 3, and we add one more element to it, and so on. The calculation flow: 0 1, 0 plus 1 2, 0 plus 1 2 3, 0 plus 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4, or in the form of a table where each row represents a function call on the next array element. Arigato gozaimasu. You should learn Japanese from more than 1.5 years. yeah, it's been 1.5 years. Or in the form of a table where each row represents a function call. Each row represents a function call and represents a function call on the next array element. I got it, man. Fifth call, that's 10, and then that's 5 and 15. Here we can clearly see how the result of the previous call becomes the first argument of the next one. Here we can clearly see how the result of the previous call becomes the first argument of the next one. We can also omit the initial value. Okay, so yeah, left. I don't want to disclose that information. If you're gonna ask about my city, my state, where I live, I will not. I'll come over to meet you in future. Okay, but yeah, right now I'm not comfortable sharing that. What was I doing? Oh yeah, no, I can hear that. True. Then it's not. You don't even know me for 2 days and you already you already made up your mind to meet me. Damn. Let result equals to array dot reduce and sum my initial or whatever. What was that name? Current. Okay. Sum will do, not sum. Yeah. Multiply multiplication. Hi, current, and we like, it's fine if we don't give the initial value, assign the initial value, so it's that. So that's 5,000 and 5040. True friends in life related, and that's why. Damn. I checked your videos by the way. 24. Damn. I'm 24. Literally, one of the videos title is that I'm 24. I turned 24. This result is the same. This result is the same. That's because of the the result is the same. That's because if there is no initial, then reduce takes the first element of the array as the initial value, and starts the iteration on the second element. Starts the iteration on the second element. My school life was fuck up. The calculation table is the same as above minus the first row. The calculation table is the same as above minus the first row, but search use requires an extreme care. If what am I saying? The calculation table is the same as above minus the first row. So yeah, that's minus. But search use requires an extreme care. If the array is empty, the reduce call without initial value gives an error. So extreme case, if the array is empty, then reduce call without initial value gives an error. Okay. Do you have a degree? Yep, I have a degree. I have a bachelor's degree in math. Okay. Amp array, empty array. Then it's gonna throw an error. Amp array dot reduce, and let's do some only. Okay, and current accumulator. Sounds like Q. How do you write? How do you spell it? Accumulator. Accumulator. And what's this? What do you call that? Item. We're gonna call it item. Current is fine. Okay. So sum plus, not the sum batch, mama. We can call it sum though. And current. No, we cannot. Yeah, let me see that if I can call it anything. Dot log and r. हमारे मुती लग रही है बहुत भयंकर. Sum is not defined. Yep. Accomplish, mission accomplished. That's hey. Oh yeah, if it's not defined, R is not defined. Yeah. What? It didn't throw any error. Why मुझे बहुत लग रहा है. If the initial value existed, reduce but returned. Okay, I'll be back. I need to. I'll be back. भाई क्या कर दिया? Shut up. Hi. Are you still here? Unknown world. I have completed my diploma in medical lab technician, but it's not a bachelor's degree. But I don't want to study for another 3 years. So I was thinking learning Japanese plus web dev. What do you think? I'm not interested in lab technician. I don't know why I chose that. I'm regretting it. And it has low salary. I was always interested in learning coding. I learned HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript. There's one thing that if you don't have a bachelor's degree, then you are gonna, like, even after getting hired by a company, you will face a lot of troubles. I don't know, like, if you don't have a bachelor's degree, then it's quite hard to get the visa. Yeah, that will be very difficult for you, the visa process. So I don't know, man, like, I have a bachelor's degree and I'm grateful for that. But, like, yeah, of course, learning Japanese and web dev, totally recommend. If that's what you like, go with it. But yeah, the bachelor's degree is one thing, because I've read about it on some articles, and yeah, you're gonna get you're gonna face a lot of problems with getting the visa. Well, I don't know your conditions, like how many time have you got, because I'm getting old. I'm 24 already, turning 25 this March. So yeah, for me, doing everything, like, I don't really have much time. I really need to get a job. But I don't know about you. How old are you? I guess you're 22 or something. But yeah, if you can, I don't know, man. What do you think about USF? Like, at the end of the day, it's you who is gonna decide your future. If you want to earn good money, you have to be obsessed with coding or else. And NGMI? What's that? Because I think things are moving so fast in tech. Yeah. Or else not gonna make it. Yep. A little break time. Why do I look like a beggar? नया नहीं ना मैं 2 दिन हो गया. That's fine. Tomorrow we'll do that too. No, you always look like that. Yeah, but on the on the day when I actually take a shower, then that's when I look a little decent. But all the other days, I look like that. Damn. UK Ignu RYT. You don't talk in short forms. I really don't know anything. Ignu. I think that's a university name. Distance learning. I'm thinking about getting my BSc from that and also learning Japanese and web dev. मैं तो अभी ना के आया है, एकदम लड़कियां लैब में साथ बैठी थी. तो थोड़ा साफ रहना पड़ेगा. Damn. Oh, that's a. Yeah, I know. What's this university? Is that a university? UK. Right. Yeah. Decode it for me. Decipher it. Like, yeah, learning Japanese plus web dev. Do it. But I think you should do something about the degree too. You know. Okay. Okay. Which university is that? IGNU. Indira Gandhi? North University? Indira Gandhi National Open University. Yone. Okay. Hi, Poo-san. プログラミング単語の勉強ですね。はい。プログラミング単語の勉強ですね。I mean, I'm learning programming. Plus, yeah, when I do Japanese study, I learn programming tango also, words. Java は比較的に覚えてやすい。覚えやすいって聞きますね。It's JavaScript, but I think I think JavaScript is much more easier than the Java, I guess. Yokes मेरे प्रोफेसर्स की प्लीज गाल मार दे. भाई दुनिया वालों ने मेरी मार रखी है, मैं क्या करूँ.プーさん、日本人ですよね。英語できますか？I think भाई छोड़ के चली गई, पता है कौन था. इतना अगली दिखता हूँ क्या भाई मैं? Iya. ऑलरेडी उस प्रोफेसर की 2 क्लासेस एक साथ, उसके बाद भी लेक्चर लेना. मैं जल्दी घर आ जाता यार और हम What? नहीं है हम never use the R word for a female. That's bad. Do you know the hear the song that's being played in the background? You know that song has moaning sound. Like you wanna hear that? You wanna hear it? Wait a minute. I will turn off this noise suppressor at that part. They changed the song. And it's quite common here. People don't even care about it now. If somebody's moaning in the song. The professor is a me. I use that for him. Okay. भाई तेरे कॉलेज का ये अटेंडेंस वाला चूसला तो अलग ही है. Have you listened to अपनी तो ऐसे तैसे कट जाएगी? The old one, that song is of 7 minutes and first 3 minutes is moaning, and they play that song here in the wedding. I've not heard it. Maybe it's a remix, you know. Like here on the beat they play anything, they add anything like some girl mooning, some chicken sound, or like anything like goat, monkey. No, listen to the old one with Damida Bachchan. Yeah, I don't know, man. Should I search it? I wanna get a copyright, but it's fine. रुक जा किसी आदिवासी है क्या? हाँ. Oh, this one? Yeah.
Periods में
ऐसे तो cupcake better than these songs. Cupcake?
लीकेज का डर हो?
नहीं यार. But damn. Yo. The legendary Cupcake CPR song. I don't know about that one. पंजाबी गाना बज रहा पीछे. How do you know? भाई यहाँ पे पंजाबी गाने बहुत बजते हैं. मुझे तो बेकार लगता है. एक दो को छोड़ के. I was talking about getting my BSc from IGNU and also studying Japanese and web together, but the thing is that it will break my brain. I think that you can do non-college. Yeah, like 3 years of time is very. If you're doing a degree, then do BCA, not BSc. You know, BCA will be related to computers. You know, and yeah, I think you should do that degree instead of BSc. BSc is fucked up. Don't do it. I have it. It's no use. Can you imagine in a wedding filled with ladies and this song started playing? Man, the mooning in like songs, the regional songs of here, like it's so normalized. People don't even care. It's totally fine here. हर जगह ही वेडिंग पे मेनली पंजाबी ही चलते हैं. Not really, you know. I mean पंजाबी गाने तो होते ही होते हैं. ये है. मैं वही बोला तूने भी. भैया आपको पता है अगर आप मोनेटाइज ना करो चैनल तो आपको कॉपीराइट पड़ेगा, तो आप वो स्ट्रीम डिलीट कर सकते, तो फिर कॉपीराइट हट जाएगा, मगर मोबिलाइजेशन से पहले करिएगा. मोबिलाइजेशन. ओके, गॉट इट. You guys, whatever weird questions you have, you can ask. I'm eating. I'm only halfway through the food. What time is it? 8, 9, 8:50. It's normal for Western where Trump तो टैक्स के बारे में प्रेस में लाइव बात करता है और ओपन टॉक करता है, नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड लाइक मोदी. हाँ, मोनेटाइजेशन भैया ऑटो करेक्ट हो जाता है. या आई नो. मजाक करो. Modi ji is from Mangalgura. पता नहीं क्या बोलना है. IGNOU is a non-college program. You only have to appear for exam and pass, and you get the degree. Ah, that's good. Do they have BCA? BCA? IGNOU. I think they do have. Do it. It's a computer, like bachelor's degree in computer applications. It's far better, you know. You'll learn a lot about programming, and yeah, it's all about programming, man. You like programming plus CSS and all that. I think if you have 3 years, you can do this degree. You can have that, and by side you can do your coding on your own too, self-learning too, and yeah, you will have both the things. But it'll take 3 years. I don't know like what situation you are in. 20, you have time, man. Then 20 years, you have time. Do this degree. IIT मद्रास से पटना की डेटा साइंस कर लो. Yep. If he's staying home and going there for only exams, it does not. It doesn't what he do. Doesn't matter what he does. He has to code by himself only. They will not teach anything. इससे अच्छा आप content online पढ़े हुए हैं, बस डिग्री नहीं मिलेगी. मोदी जी का मॉड APK डाउनलोड. मैं बैचलर्स डिग्री इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि भाई वीज़ा में प्रॉब्लम आएगी, मुझे इतना पता है बस. मेरे पास तो डिग्री है तो ठीक है. I think it's kind of a rule that if you don't have a bachelor's degree, then you... I don't know, man. Do you have money? If you have money, then go. Enroll in a language school in Japan. You don't need a degree then. Let me tell you a story. When I was in 8th class, the first time teacher started trying to teach us reproduction thing. Oh yeah? Like sex education. आप चाहो तो बीच में गैप भी ले सकते हो. अभी स्टार्ट हो गए JEE एग्जाम के बाद. Like that. Do self-learning, you know. Three years for data science. But the thing is, I already applied for BSc in July 2025, and so my exam is in. Oh. Why are you making the wrong decisions? You already wasted your 2 years. why do you want to study for a subject or a thing that has no meaning as to your future? Bro, they showed us and taught the lesson in projector. We were all sitting like girls and boys, and suddenly the projector showed something like a penis like thing going deep inside a vagina. Damn. And some girl asked, मैम ये क्या हो रहा है? वो कहती है अपनी मम्मी पापा से पूछ के आओ. But they actually showed the thing. Damn. You went to a good school, man. हमारे यहाँ तो किताबों से ही पढ़ाते थे. ये भाई टीचर का ही भाई टीचर का खड़ा हो गया था. भाई हमारे तो टेबल पे बैठ के पढ़ा रहा था फिर वो. भाई टीचर भी ठरकी था. भैया बैचलर्स डिग्री क्यों रिक्वायर्ड होगा? आपके अकाउंट में सब मनी होना चाहिए. covers higher than translation of the. अच्छा. What the fuck? कैसे पीड़ो? He was a science teacher. It was in 10th class. So he was sitting on the table in the front, okay? He was teaching about the reproduction system and all things. And maybe he thought of some weird stuff, and yeah, he got a boner reaction. Yeah, man, मेरा तो खड़ा हो गया. Yeah, fucking hell. उसके बाद ना हमारे क्लास में रियल लड़का था. तो जब कोई मैम उससे कुछ पूछने या होमवर्क सुनने के लिए खड़ा करती तो वो यो मैंने भी पूरा पढ़ा था 10th. Esophagus to rectum. अच्छा वो स्टूडेंट्स वो तो क्लासमेट सोचता होगा भाई अगर ऐसा करूँगा तो टीचर पट जाएगी है. Oh my lord. अरे तो उसके बाद उसने मेल हाइजीन को बॉयज़ को समझाने के लिए हम बॉयज़ को रोका लास्ट में और गर्ल्स को भेज दिया। फिर मैम खड़े हो के समझाना चालू हो गई। सुंदर थी मैम बहुत। अरे एक हाँ मैं बताऊँ, भैया अक्षित का कमेंट मुझे नहीं दिख रहा। अक्षित इज ऑल्सो भैया। ही इज ओल्डर देन यू। Let's just filter it out. You know, up on the corner, you see only you can filter the comments by top chat or live chat. हाँ